Good morning to all. Today I am going to discuss about the propensity to consume. So in this video we will discuss about the meaning of propensity to consume. So how many types of the propensity to consume. So let's start with the definition of propensity to consume. So the meaning of the propensity to consume is what? It refers to the schedule which show the level of consumptions at the different level of income in the economy. Means we'll take only the two things, that is the consumptions and the income. So according to the what is the meaning of propensity to consume? Propensity to consume is the so the level of consumptions at the different level of the income. Means if the income is increased, already discussed in previous video, if the income is increased, the consumption will also the increases, but not the same amount as the income will increase. So here the definitions. Now come to the types of propensity to consume. Here there are two types. First one is average propensity to consume. That is APC. You can write in short APC, average propensity to consume. Now second is marginal propensity to consume, that is MPC. Okay, so here the propensity to consume are two types: average propensity to consume, that is APC, and the marginal propensity to consume, that is MPC. Now come to the first one, average propensity to consume. So APC. So what is the meaning of APC? So APC is the ratio of consumptions and income, So APC is equal to the ratio of consumption and expenditure, that is C upon Y. So average propensity to consume is the ratio of consumptions, you can say C, and the income, that is Y. That is known as the average propensity to consume. We'll discuss, we'll understand by the one more examples. Suppose the income is given 0, 10, 20, 30 and the 40, and the consumption is, in previous video already taken the same thing, 10, 20, 30, 40 and suppose the 50 is given. Okay, so here or just right here 15, 20, 25, 30 and the 35. Okay, so consumption, income is given and consumption is given. Now we have to calculate what? APC. As you know that APC is what? C upon Y. So consumption will be divided by the income at the different level. So for the first level of the income, that is consumption is how much? Consumption is 15. So 15 divided by 0 is how much? Infinity. Or in some book you just write the dash mark. But you have to write, according to me, you have to write the infinity mark. When you divide by 0 of any numbers, then we will get the infinity. Okay, so 15 divided by 0 is how much? The 15. If 0, just see the concept. If 0 divided by 0, then we will put the dash mark. If 1 divided by 0, then we will get the infinity. When 0 divided by 1, we will get the 0. Okay, this will help in this chapter also. so how to calculate the APC and all? Sometimes 0 divided by 0 maybe comes 1 divided by 0, then that is infinity, and 0 divided by 1, that is 0. Okay. So 15 divided by 0 is infinity. 20 divided by 10 is how much? 2. 25 divided by 20. So 25 divided by 20 is how much? 2.5 divided by 2, you can write 1.25. So here you can write 1.25. 30 divided by 30, 30 divided by 30 is how much? 1. Okay. Now 35 divided by 40. So 35 divided by 40, that is 3.5 divided by 40. So we will take the 0.8 for the 32 and 2 and something. So 0.82 and dot. So you can just write the 2 points, 0.82, that is the level 40 level of the income. So you can see that. The income of the income is increased. The condition by using the formula we can calculate what? APC. APC is what? C upon Y. Now come to the next one. Marginal propensity to consume, that is MPC. So MPC is what? MPC is the ratio of change in income and change in consumption and change in income. Okay. APC is what? The ratio of consumptions and income, and MPC is what? Change in consumption and the change in expenditure. So you can write MPC is equal to delta C upon delta Y, that is change of consumptions and the change of income is what? APC. MPC is delta C upon delta Y. We'll discuss the same things, same concepts, and we have given the consumptions and the income. Now we'll calculate the MPC. So MPC is what? Delta C upon delta Y. So what is the meaning of delta C? Delta C is the C2 minus C1. Okay, and delta Y is Y2 minus Y1. Means we have to subtract like this. This is Y1, Y2, suppose Y3, Y4 and Y5. Okay. So for calculating the delta, so delta Y for Y2 is what? Y2 minus Y1. Okay. So when we calculate the delta Y for Y2 is Y2 minus Y1. So just simply what we'll do? We'll subtract the numbers. We'll get the delta. So here firstly we need to calculate what? Delta Y and delta C, then MPC. So delta Y for the first unit, because this upper number is not given, so just write like this. Okay, dash will come. When we subtract from 0 to 10, means 10 minus 0 is how much? 10. 20 minus 10 is how much? 10. 30 minus 10 and 40 minus 10. Okay. So delta we'll discuss in first chapter also. How to calculate in 11th class also will calculate the delta and all. So how to calculate the delta Y? We subtracted this number to this number. Minus 10 0, 10 20 minus 10 is how much? 10. 30 minus 20 is 10. 40 minus 20 10. Okay. Similarly, 15 above number is not mentioned, so you just write the tick mark or you just leave the column. Or 20 minus 15 is how much? 5. 25 minus 15 is 5. 30 minus 25 is 5 and 30 minus 5 35 minus 30 is 5. So by using the concept of delta y and delta c, we will calculate the things. Now come to the MPC part. MPC is what? Delta c upon delta y. So for the first, the number is not mentioned, so just do the tick mark or you leave the column or you just dot the line. Now come to the second one at the 10 level of the income. So 5, because delta c is how much? 5 and delta y is how much? 10. So 5 divided by 10 is how much? 0.5. So 5 divided by 10 is how much? 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. So this is the values of MPC. So how to calculate the APC and MPC? So we have two formula. First, APC is equal to C upon Y and MPC is equal to delta C upon Y. In this chapter there are so many formulas are there. So how to remember the formula? One basic concept is to remember the formula. Here APC is mentioned, so C is mentioned here, so you just write C on top and Y on the lower limit. Okay. And here M, where the M is mentioned, then we have to put the delta sign. Okay. So delta will come in both the denominator and denominator, and here the C is mentioned, so we just write here C. In next video we will discuss about the MPS, so that S is mentioned, so just put the S sign. So MPC is what? Delta C. APC is C upon Y and MPC is delta C upon delta Y. I hope you understood the concept of how to calculate the delta C, how to calculate the APC and MPC. Okay, so thank you so much.